Hello, my dearest friends. My friends, today I want to share a beautiful thought regarding reading the Bible. Sometimes we have a certain disposition in our mind when we start reading, and we sometimes think, oh, when I read the Bible, I want to see what I can gain from this. What insights can I learn? But today I want to change our thinking a little bit by sharing a story that I heard on Instagram not too long ago. And the story I want to share with you all today. So there was once this lady, and she was single, and she absolutely loved reading novels. She was a romantic at heart, and she loved a beautiful love story. And she came across this novel and she started reading, but for some reason, she simply could not get into the book. After a few chapters, she felt the characters were maybe not that well developed. The storylines didn't make all that sense, and it was simply not exciting enough for her. And she closed the book and just put it down. A few months later, she went on a blind date and she met the most amazing guy. The guy completely swept her off of her feet and she fell head over heels in love with this man. Turns out that this man was the author of that book that she put down a few months ago. Now, because she had a vested interest in learning more about this author, she thought, okay, let me read what he's really written. So she went back to this book and she read it with new eyes. It became the most exciting novel she's ever read. The characters were well developed, the storylines made sense, and she couldn't stop reading it. She even went as far as reading it 3 times. Now, my friends, the reason why I'm sharing this story is that I want to illustrate a point here. This lady, now knowing the author, wanted to discover more about his character. And it's very interesting because when someone writes literature, very oftentimes they personify themselves in some way, shape, or form. Now, with the Bible, this is the ultimate truth. God has written himself into the Bible. And every story you can see him. And every story you can experience a bit of him. So when we read the Bible, don't just read it to gain some insight. Read it because you want to discover more of God's character. I want to share a short Bible scripture today. Jeremiah 29, verse 13. You will seek me and find me when you seek me with all your heart. So, my friends, this week, let's seek the Lord with all our heart and discover more of his character in this wonderful book that we call the Bible. Thank you so much, my friends. Goodbye and God bless.